So this is it. We're on the Century boat, the Celebrity cruise ship, Century. And we're at the Hubbard Glacier here in Alaska, so we're just getting ready to leave now. But got a few short clips of the glacier calving. I've been up here. This is the third time I've been to this glacier. Particular one. It's quite nice out. It's cool. It's about 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I guess somewhere around there, 54, 55 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's nice. We got some sun, scattered clouds. Just absolutely beautiful. Another glacier there. Such a beautiful place, Alaska. Those are all chunks of ice floating around in the water there. Those walls of ice are about 250 foot high.